The next approach is socialist economy. Now, what is a socialist economy? A socialist economy is an economy where the factors of production, where the properties, where the land is owned by the government. The government not only governs the country, not only runs the country, but also does the business there. It owns the factors of production and it produces the goods which are consumed by the masses there. So, what are the features of a capitalist economy? Production is owned and controlled by the state. Private individuals are not allowed to own the factors of production. Private individuals are not allowed to own the properties there. Only the state has the authority to own the factors of production and the properties. They set up the enterprises there and produce the goods. And the second point, why does it do it? Why does the state own all the factors of production? Why doesn't it allow the private individuals to own the factors of production and the land and the properties? Because it is of the view that private individuals are often profit oriented, but the state, the nation, the country wants the development of the whole nation, development of all the people, not only a section of people. So it owns the resources, it owns the land, it owns the factors of production and sees to it that the production is done in a planned manner. The production is done in a planned manner, leading to the development of all the people, leading to the enrichment of all the people for the benefit of the masses. Now, this is a very contrasting approach against the capitalist economy. In capitalist economy, private individuals held the factors of production. In socialist economy, state holds the factors of production. In capitalist economy, profit is the motive, profit is the driving force. In socialist economy, public welfare is the driving force. Whatever the government does, it does for the welfare of the society, it does for the welfare of the masses. And how is it able to do it? By central planning. Everything is planned, what needs to be produced, how it needs to be produced, for whom it needs to be produced, everything is planned. Let's see the positives of a socialist economy. First, collective ownership. In a socialist economy, everybody is the owner of the factors of production, in the sense that the government holds the factors of production. The individuals do not per se hold the factors of production, but collectively hold the factors of production, because owner is the government and government holds them on behalf of the masses, on behalf of the people. So everybody is a collective owner. Equal income distribution. Now this is one of the main reasons why a state may want to be a socialist economy, because it may not want only a section of society to be rich and the remaining poor. It may not want a gap between rich and poor in the country. So what it does is it owns the factors of production and gives the benefit to all, which leads to equal income distribution, regional balanced regional development. Third, the socialist economy is welfare driven and not profit driven. Capitalist economy was profit driven, but a socialist economy is welfare driven. It always endeavors for the welfare of the people. A socialist economy is always welfare driven. The government tries to maximize the welfare of the people. It may not always produce the goods which are profitable, but it tries to produce goods which are beneficial for the society. For example, if the society needs more clothes, it will set up enterprises, it will set up industries which provide clothing to the society. However, clothing may not be profitable. Or, on the other hand, it may want to set up industries which lead to more employment in the nation. Those enterprises, those industries may not be as profitable, but it may always choose to go for those industries which lead to more employment in the country. Let's see the negatives. No freedom. A socialist economy does not provide freedom to its entrepreneurs. It does not generate entrepreneurs. It does not allow its people to become entrepreneurs because it is because state is only holding the factors of production to produce the goods. People are not allowed to hold and buy and sell the factors of production. So people do not get a choice to produce what they want. And again, people do not get a choice to consume what they want because they have to consume what the state is producing. They have to consume which is beneficial for the society, and that is what the state would be producing. So, on the both hands, there is no choice. Individuals do not get the choice to enterprise, consumers do not get the choice to consume. Second, no competition, innovation, or quality. Whilst we were discussing capitalist economy, we said capitalist economy leads to more competition. Everybody wants to sell more. So what it would do is give you a better quality product or give you a improvised product or may give you a new product. But in a socialist economy, the government does not want to increase its sales. The government does not want to increase its profit. It wants to see social welfare. So what happens is there is no competition because nobody can produce goods except government. There is no competition at all. So you may not get quality products, you may not get better products, you may not get improvised products, or you may not get new products. So this hampers innovation and quality. Let's see how the socialist economy try to solve the economic problems. Are four basic problems: what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, and provision for economic growth. First, what to produce. How does a socialist economy try to answer this? What is maximum needed? In capitalist economy, what was maximum demanded, and in socialist economy, it is maximum needed. What is maximum needed by the society is what is produced by a socialist economy. How to produce? This question is answered by socialist economy by maximum employment as the answer. Whichever enterprise, whichever product, whichever service will give maximum employment to the people, will generate maximum employment for the nation, that way of production, that method of production will be utilized because it is beneficial for the society. It generates maximum employment. Everybody gets earning, everybody gets a livelihood, everybody gets employment. Thus, it becomes beneficial to the society, and this is how a socialist economy would answer this question. Next, for whom to produce? Now this question is answered as maximum population. It is similar to the first question. Yeah, the first question answered is what to produce. It is for the product which is needed maximum in the society. Now, when you produce a product which is needed maximum in the society, you are automatically producing goods for the people in the society who need this product the maximum. So, in short, you are catering to the maximum amount of population. So, third question or the third problem, for whom to produce, is answered by socialist economy as maximum population, the product serving the maximum population. And the fourth economic problem, provision for future economic growth. Well, I'm sorry to say that there is no provision for future economic growth because everybody is earning equal, everybody is consuming what the state is producing. People are not producing anything, they do not own anything, so they have equal income. They do not have methods to save and invest money because whatever the government is doing, it is doing for the benefit of the people. It does not want its people to save, it wants the welfare of the people. So there is no provision for economic growth in a socialist economy. And this is the reason why most of the socialist economies are extinct now. There is no economy in the world which is a pure socialist economy. And how does a socialist economy try to answer all these questions, bring an answer to all these questions? Is through central planning. A capitalist economy tries to solve all the problems with the market mechanism, the price mechanism. A socialist economy tries to solve the problems by central planning. Everything is centrally planned by the state, centrally planned by the government.